A serious message, folks. Serious message time. Be careful in your workshops. Accident yesterday. Not a pretty one either. So I was cutting the underlay in my car. There's a spoiler for you. You've not seen any of these videos yet. I was cutting the underlay in my car, and normally I have two hands on the knife as I draw it towards me, and I didn't on this particular occasion because there wasn't enough room because of the steering wheel. So I have one hand on it, the knife slipped, and I have quite how I missed the artery and quite how all my tendons in my wrist are still attached is a mystery. Someone was definitely looking down on me that day. So just a quick message here, be careful in the workshop. And also the biggest issue I've got here, this was kind of after closing time, and there was no one else on site. There really wasn't. It could have been nasty. Take care.